So I picked this guy up. Why? Because I don't know how to leave stuff alone that's not broken. It's just my way of life. I always mess with shit that's not broke, and then it usually breaks. So, look at that. It's got all the magnets and everything already in it. So it's gonna sit like so. Okay, sit it like that. Interesting design. Interesting. So look at the difference. Will this do anything? No idea. But look how open these airflow is on the standard. Look at these guys. Really controlled. We'll see. See, why not try it? Well, it's not broken. And we can always throw it back on, I think, if it don't work. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So there's, okay, that's magnetic. So there's 3 and 4. And this guy just, oh. Yeah, I think it just had a little bit of glue in there. Ooh. I'll be back. I'm gonna clean this out. This thing's disgusting. Okay, got that all cleaned out for the most part. Okay, so let's see how this goes on there. So this should just pop on like so. All right, let's see. Yeah, it looks like there's 2 little alignment pins there. You see it there, and then these 2 guys. Let's go ahead and get that in there. What am I missing here? What am I missing? Oh, is that guy supposed to go in somewhere? No, I think it's supposed to just sit on that inside. Okay, oh, there we go, okay. You just gotta make sure it's in the right spot. Fits together really good though. And this is BIQU, I think that's how you say it. BIQU. Let's go ahead and put these in now. So we got 4 screws. We got 1 on this side. Oh man, got too close to the magnet. We're gonna go looking for that screw here in a minute, never find it again. And it looks like all these screws are the same size. Okay, so we got that guy. We got that guy. We got 1 right here. They just go into plastic, so they just screw nonstop. And then we have, does this one eliminate some of them? I think it does. Oh, I have 2 here that I didn't need to take out. Okay, so you don't have to take these 2 out, clearly. They can just stay on there. So you just have 2. You have 1, and then that one. So go ahead and put these back in here, because, oh, so this probably is actually a 2-piece. Yep, I see it now. All right, I'm gonna put it on there and use it and see if it works or if something breaks.